question about how can I make the most of my AdvoCare challenge, because there are so many limited choices. Well, there's two things. You can go to the 24-day-challenge-recipe-collection.com, right on the AdvoCare site, and that will give you some good ideas. Or you can go to our club site, Club Fitness 24 on Pinterest. We've got a lot of ideas there to give you some variety. Now, the hard thing is when you get variety, when you take out the wheat and you take out the dairy, most people are so used to eating those foods every day. When you take it out, it limits your amount, it limits the food you eat. But again, like I said earlier in one of the other questions, if God made it, eat it. If He didn't make it, don't eat it. So, look at those proteins, lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, good carbohydrates like oatmeal, brown rice, quinoa. Those are all great sources of food. If you're a bread eater, you love the bread, you go to the Sunspot, you can pick up some Ezekiel bread or some Udi's Choice. Those are both gluten-free. Well, Udi's Choice is gluten-free. Ezekiel is not quite gluten-free, but it's as raw and healthy as you can get. So that's a good choice for you. Hopefully that will give you some answers. If you have more really specific questions, fire them out to us. Thanks, and talk to you soon.